She spilled baking soda on the bed, and after 30 minutes, they all remain speechless. Your mattress is subjected to a lot of wear and tear due to you just sleeping on it. We normally would just wash our linen and bed sheets and forget that the mattress itself needs cleaning. When we lie on the mattress, we subject it to protein stains from our bodily fluids, such as urine stains, blood stains, sweat, and even semen and other bodily fluids. These stains can be removed with a simple trick. However, we need to be wary of using water on our mattress, as it will only get trapped in the cellular structure of the mattress and create a habitat for mold spores to grow and develop. Here are some simple tips you can adopt today to get your mattress looking clean and brand new despite having it for years. 1. Dry vacuuming. You should vacuum your mattress to remove dirt mites, bed bugs, dirt, and even dead skin cells that may be on it. Just take off the bed sheets and use a handheld vacuum cleaner to work your way from one end of the mattress to the other until the entire surface of the mattress has been properly vacuumed. 2. You should deodorize your mattress using baking soda. Just pour some baking soda on your mattress and leave it there for a period of 30 minutes before using your handheld vacuum cleaner to vacuum off the baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and your mattress will smell fresh once more, just like the day you bought it. 3. Get rid of protein stains. As mentioned earlier, your mattress is subjected to protein stains that need to be removed. You can do this by mixing some salt, baking soda and water together. Make sure the water is very little. Use a clean cloth to rake some of the mixture and dab the stain with it. Avoid using circular motions when cleaning, as it will only make matters worse. You can also use a mixture of hydrogen peroxide, water and liquid soap to remove stubborn protein stains. Also, not use warm water, as this only aids the stains to remain on your mattress. Use cold water when trying to get rid of protein stains. 4. Flip your mattress over. To ensure that your mattress wears evenly, you can turn it over after a few months. You could do this on the 6th month in a year. 5. Avoid using water on your mattress. Water will only get trapped in the cellular structure of your mattress and will not get out. It will provide a nice habitat for mold spores to thrive. You do not want to be sleeping on a mattress with mold in it, do you? 6. Use fans to dry your mattress. If you get water on your mattress by accident, make sure to position a fan over it to get the mattress dry as quickly as possible, to avoid any mold growth. 7. Use a mattress protector. You can get yourself a mattress protector to cover your mattress with to preserve its quality and extend its lifespan. When you use a mattress protector, you can avoid having protein stains, water, dirt, bed bugs, dirt mites, and even dead skin cells on your mattress. The mattress protector can also be removed and washed, so your mattress will look like brand new always.